Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at the closest location removal strategy in Odoo 18 inventory. This feature helps warehouse workers save time by picking products from the nearest storage location first. So instead of heading all the way to a far shelf or even needing a forklift when the same product is available closer, Odoo automatically suggests the more convenient spot. Let's see how to set it up and how it works in practice. First, let's open the Inventory app. From here, go to Configuration, then Settings. Scroll down to the Warehouse section and ensure that the storage locations and multi-step routes options are both enabled. Storage locations let us assign products to specific shelves or areas. Multi-step routes give us more flexibility in how products move through the warehouse and allow us to apply different removal strategies. Next, let's configure the actual locations. Go to Configuration, then Locations. Here's the important part. Odoo decides which location is closest based on the alphanumeric order of the location names. So to make this work properly, we should name our locations in a way that reflects their real distance from the packing area. In this example, we have shelf 1 as the closest shelf, shelf 2 a little further, and shelf 3 as the farthest. That way, Odoo understands the picking sequence in a way that matches the real-world layout of our warehouse. Now that our shelves are properly named, we need to apply the removal strategy. We can either set it on the parent location, in this case warehouse/stock, but keep in mind, if we do that, the closest location strategy will apply to all shelves under warehouse/stock. Alternatively, we can apply it to each shelf individually. This way, Odoo will always suggest picking from the nearest shelf first for those specific locations, while the other warehouse areas continue using their default removal strategy. Next, let's check the on-hand stock at each storage location. To do that, I'll go to the Products menu and open our DeskPad product. On the product form, I click the On-Hand Smart button at the top. Here we can see the products stored across shelves 1, 2, and 3. You'll also notice the on-hand quantity column, which shows exactly how much stock is available at each shelf. Now that everything is set up, let's create a sales order to see the strategy in action. I'll go to the Sales app and create a new quotation for our customer Deco Addict, ordering 10 desk pads. Once I confirm the order, I'll click the Delivery Smart button. Inside the Operations tab, I click the Details button on the product line to open the stock move information. Here, Odoo suggests picking first from shelf 1, then from the next nearest location, shelf 2, until the full demand is covered. Notice that it skips shelf 3, since it's farther away, saving time and effort. And that's it. With the closest location removal strategy, Odoo ensures products are always picked from the nearest available shelf. This not only saves time, but also makes the picking process smoother and keeps warehouse operations running efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.